Yes, magpapakilala muna kami. Ako si Crystal Kiarbona Cruz. My name is Karin Sinibanes. Diana Halagaw.
Harvey Camadja.
And we're trying the game Suppress Louder Challenge. So, let's play!
Ang instruction ng game ay, una, dapat mayroong 3 miyembro kasali sa game. Pangalawa, dapat magkatapat yung magkaparehong button ng iyong ilalagay. Kung may isa o dalawa kang mali, ay malalagay ng pulbo sa muka. Pero kung tama ka, mayroong kang score na tatama mo. Kung makatatlo ka ng score, ikaw ay magwawagi sa game at yung matatalo ay ang pinakamaraming ilalagay ng pulbo sa muka.
The probability calculation is as follows. Total possible arrangement. There are 4 factorial. 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 equals 24. Possible ways to arrange the 4 bottles. Winning arrangement. Only one of this arrangement is correct. Probability of winning. The probability of winning is 1 over 24. So therefore, under these assumptions, the probability of winning the game is 1 over 24, or approximately 4.17%. ako po yung natalo. Hi guys! So yun lang guys.
Panalo
So,
ako.
don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button para updated ka sa mga
Like.
videos namin.
Like,
Boom!
guys.